Carpet cleaners aren't the most glamorous appliances, but for homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic, they can make a huge difference. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains, deep-set dirt, or just doing routine maintenance, a good carpet cleaner can save time and preserve your flooring. In this video, we've rounded up 6 of the best carpet cleaners for 2025, from compact spot cleaners to full powered-up right machines, and broken down their key features, strengths, and limitations to help you decide which one fits your space and lifestyle. Product names and links are listed in the description below if you want to check them out. Number 6. Bissell Big Green Professional 863. If you're looking for that professional, just steamed look without renting a machine every few months, the Bissell Big Green is worth a serious look. This is a heavy-duty carpet cleaner built with commercial-level performance in mind. Perfect for homes that need something a little more powerful than the average upright. At nearly 42 pounds, this isn't a lightweight or compact model. The build is solid and feels industrial with a wide cleaning path and an extra-large dirt lifter power brush that digs deep into high-pile carpet. It's built to handle thick rugs, high-traffic areas, and set in stains with ease. One of its standout features is the dual tank setup. You get a 1.75-gallon clean water tank and a separate dirty water tank, both easy to remove, fill, and empty. This large capacity means fewer trips back and forth to the sink, especially when doing multiple rooms. The suction is equally strong thanks to a high-lift motor that pulls moisture and dirt out of carpet fibers quickly. Dry times are faster than expected for such a heavy-duty unit. You'll also get a 9-foot hose and upholstery tool, which makes tackling stairs, furniture, or car interiors much more manageable. That said, this is not a cleaner for everyone. It's bulky to store, takes up floor space, and isn't especially easy to lift upstairs. Apartment dwellers or anyone tight on storage may find it overwhelming. But for deep seasonal cleaning or homes with a lot of carpeted space, the Bissell Big Green is one of the most effective tools available, especially if you're after pro-level results without hiring someone to do the job. Number 5. Shark Carpet Expert. Shark is best known for its vacuums, but the Carpet Expert marks a strong entry into the carpet cleaning space. It's designed for everyday home use, but delivers more than you'd expect from something this compact. The design is modern and streamlined, lighter than most full-size upright cleaners, but still powerful enough to handle ground and dirt and pet messes. Shark's dual brush roll technology is built for both surface debris and deeper stains, making it a versatile cleaner for carpets that see frequent use. One standout feature is the built-in Clean Sense IQ system. This sensor actively detects soil levels in the carpet and adjusts suction and cleaning intensity in real time. It's a nice touch that helps you avoid overwashing areas that don't need it, while still giving high-traffic spots the attention they deserve. Edge cleaning is another strong point. The side brushes reach baseboards and edges better than most in this category, which is great for whole room cleaning without having to go back with an attachment. Tank capacity is 1 gallon on both clean and dirty sides with easy lift-away tanks that slide in and out with minimal effort. It's a little smaller than others in this list, but the trade-off is a more compact body that's easier to maneuver. The Carpet Expert isn't completely silent. It's moderately loud, but it's lightweight enough to move easily, even on stairs. The hose is a bit shorter than average, which could be a limitation for upholstery cleaning in tight corners. Overall, it's a strong pick for homes with pets, kids, or just frequent messes. It's intuitive, effective, and easy to store when you're done. Number 4. Rug Doctor. Portable spot cleaner or true deep upright. If you've ever rented a carpet cleaner, chances are it was a Rug Doctor. Known for their commercial rental machines, the brand now offers models built specifically for home use without sacrificing the deep cleaning performance they're known for. There are 2 standout options here. First is the True Deep Upright, a full-size machine designed for whole room cleaning. Then there's the Portable Spot Cleaner, which is smaller and tailored for quick stain removal on upholstery, stairs, and rugs. Both models share Rug Doctor's signature motorized brush and strong suction, and both are built to lift stains that other machines often leave behind. The True Deep high-powered suction is especially useful for high-traffic areas and older stains. Think pet urine, coffee spills, and tracked-in dirt. It's built with a wide cleaning path and a 28-foot cord, giving you excellent range for large rooms without constant unplugging. The removable tanks vary by model, with capacities ranging from 0.5 gallons on the portable unit to 1.5 gallons on the True Deep. The portable spot cleaner is ideal for targeting trouble spots, and it's small enough to store in a closet or carry out to the car. One thing to keep in mind, both machines are heavier than average and noticeably louder too. The True Deep can take longer to dry carpets fully, especially if you're doing a large area. These aren't the most lightweight cleaners on the list, but their cleaning performance makes them a strong pick for households with pets, frequent spills, or thick carpet that needs regular deep cleaning. Number 3. Hoover ONEPWR SmartWash Cordless. Cordless vacuums have been around for years, but cordless carpet cleaners are still a rarity, and Hoover's OnePower SmartWash is one of the few that actually delivers. It's designed to bring full-size carpet cleaning power without the hassle of cord, and for the most part, it does exactly that. This model runs on Hoover's OnePower battery platform, which is the same battery used in their stick vacuums and other cordless tools. That means if you already own other Hoover products in the lineup, the batteries are interchangeable. On a full charge, you get about 30 to 35 minutes of run time, which is usually enough to clean a couple of rooms or spot-treat high-traffic areas. Hoover includes a few smart features that take the guesswork out of cleaning. Auto Mix ensures the right amount of solution is dispensed, while Auto Dry activates suction-only drying automatically as you pull the unit back. The Smart Wash motion sensing system is easy to get used to. Just push forward to wash and pull back to dry. Tank setup is standard but efficient. 2 separate 1-gallon tanks for clean and dirty water, both easy to fill, remove, and rinse. Performance-wise, the Smart Wash holds its own on thick carpets and large area rugs, picking up visible dirt and noticeably speeding up drying time. It's lighter than traditional upright models and stores on a compact charging dock with a removable battery for easy charging. Keep in mind, though, once the battery runs low, suction power will gradually dip, so you'll want to clean in sections rather than all at once. This one's best for medium-sized homes or anyone who values cordless convenience without compromising too much on performance. Number 2. Bissell Little Green, Pet Deluxe and Mini. The Bissell Little Green has become a go-to for spot cleaning over the years, and for good reason. Whether it's muddy paw prints, drink spills, or everyday messes, this compact machine handles the job quickly without requiring a full-size cleaner. There are a couple of versions available, with the Pet Deluxe being the more powerful option. It weighs around 9 pounds, while the mini version comes in closer to 6 pounds, making both extremely portable. The Pet Deluxe offers slightly more suction and a larger water tank, but the overall form factor stays compact and easy to carry. Both versions use a simple spray, scrub, and suction system. The spray nozzle delivers cleaning solution directly onto the spot, while the attached scrub brush agitates the stain before powerful suction pulls it all up. It's ideal for upholstery, car interiors, stairs, or anywhere accidents happen. Tank size varies, about 48 ounces for the Pet Deluxe and around 30 ounces for the Mini. That's enough for a few spots at a time, and both tanks are easy to fill and rinse. The hose and power cord offer enough length for flexible movement without making the unit bulky. One thing to know, this isn't designed to clean entire rooms or large rugs. There's no motorized brush roll, and it's not meant to replace an upright. But that's not really the point. For pet owners, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants a secondary cleaner for quick jobs, the Bissell Little Green is a smart addition to your cleaning tools. It's easy to store, quick to use, and effective exactly where you need it. Number 1. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. At the top of the list is Bissell's flagship model, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, a cleaner built specifically for homes that deal with pet messes, fur, and high-traffic carpets on a regular basis. It's full-sized, powerful, and loaded with features that make deep cleaning feel a lot more manageable. At the core of this machine are dual dirt lifter power brushes with 12 rows of bristles. These rotating brushes dig deep into carpet fibers, loosening embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris. For pet owners, especially those with thick carpet, this makes a noticeable difference. It also uses heat wave technology to maintain warm water temperature while cleaning, which helps boost stain-fighting performance throughout the entire session. And with 2 cleaning modes, Express Clean and Deep Clean, you can choose between a lighter refresh that dries in about 30 minutes or a more intensive full room treatment. Other thoughtful details include edge sweep brushes for cleaning along baseboards and walls, plus a long hose and tool attachments for stairs, upholstery, and tight spots. The machine includes a trial-size Pet Pro Clean formula and a 2-in-1 stain tool, both of which are helpful for spot-treating tougher messes. Tanks are 1 gallon each for clean and dirty water, and both are easy to remove, refill, and rinse. While the machine is slightly loud during use, it's not overwhelming, and the cleaning results justify the noise. If your home has multiple pets, kids, or just sees a lot of activity, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is one of the most capable and complete carpet cleaners available today. It's built to handle serious cleaning, and it does it without needing professional equipment or services. That wraps up our list of the top carpet cleaners for 2025. Whether you're dealing with pets, everyday messes, or just want cleaner floors, there's a model here that fits your space and routine. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more practical reviews just like this. Got questions or a favorite of your own? Drop it in the comments. Product links are down in the description if you want to take a closer look.